Hello and welcome to the PPPC Toronto Top Show. I am here with the head honcho, one of the owners of Fiel. And it's so fitting that I'm at a trade show because these guys are trade show experts. How the heck are you doing, man?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I'm doing really well. It's exciting to be here with you.
Yeah, well, it's exciting to be here doing these shows in person.
Hey, Arif, shows are coming back right now. So what is like one of the most popular products that are being sold at your company at this particular moment?
So by far, the number one sellers for us are trade show tablecloths. We have the drape style, we have the stretch fit tablecloths, and the cool thing about our company is we do sublimated tablecloths. That means you can get it in every single Pantone color, PMS color. You can do as many product branding as you want, and it's all one price with sublimation.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
So let's think about this for a couple of seconds. Trade shows are coming back, all kinds of events like Run for Cure coming back, all of these massive events, which means you're gonna need registration tables. You're gonna need tables to display your stuff. What better vehicle, marketing vehicle, than to wrap that entire table with full color process logos, sublimation. I mean, it's astounding what's going on here. Look at this decoration in the booth. It is amazing. Do you do that all in-house?
We do everything in-house in Canada. Production time for all our products is 5 working days or less. And then we also have guaranteed 3-day, 2-day, and 1-day options.
Hang on a second. 1-day options?
1-day options, that's right. So we call it our 24-hour express SKUs.
Yes.
So that means if you have a customer, today is Thursday, if somebody wants a tablecloth for a trade show on Friday, we can make that happen.
Is that not music to your ears? When you're looking for a supplier, are you not looking for reliability? We're talking about 1 day here. That's possible. We're talking about a standard 5-day production. That's almost unheard of right now. And it's probably because you control all the decoration in-house, right? You've got all the machinery right there.
That is correct. So especially for items like tablecloths and banners, we cut, sublimate, stitch right in our Mississauga warehouse.
This is wild. Now, talk to me a little bit about personalization, because personalization in our industry notoriously has been very difficult. It's like, oh, I can put that logo on there for the bank. I can put it on for the airline or a sports team, but I can't personalize it. Do you guys do personalization?
Yep. So one of the beauties about sublimation is we can personalize on any of our products. So whether it would be a blanket or a team towel or a bandana, neck gaiter, you name it. And we only charge, can we talk pricing here?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Okay, so we're talking about only $1 net more per piece for personalization for any of our sublimated items. So whether it's a sublimated apron or a blanket or a towel, and if I can just quickly show you an example.
Yeah, would you?
This is one of our really popular Sherpa blankets where we have put the team logo as well as the player name. So the team logo, all the full color decoration is included in the price, and we're charging only $1 more for individual personalization variable data.
I mean, that's a game changer. It's an absolute game changer. It means that I get to play hockey and I don't have to use Johnny's towel by accident, right?
That's right.
My name is now on my towel, and Johnny's name is on his towel as well,
you
right?
Got it.
Dude, that is amazing. And $1 extra. That's it. $1 extra, and you get this name on here. I'm mind blown. I'm mind blown. I mean, you've got rally towels, you've got towels, you've got tablecloths, you've got bandanas and everything, full color process, gorgeous logos, stunning accuracy when it comes to colors too. This is wild. And I'm seeing over here that you've got high-end blankets now. When did this happen, Arif?
So it happened in the fall of last year where we got into, everybody's always known Fiel as a sublimated line. And we wanted to give some customers a little bit of a different option. So we got into these basically high-end retail type of blankets, and we're basically copying what other suppliers are already doing in this industry, and this is in the US. But we're stocking inventory now in Canada, making it easier for our Canadian distributors to purchase from us rather than going to the US, buying in US dollars and having the hassle to bring it across the border.
And that's what I love about this industry, are people who are forward thinking, who are trying to solve pain points. And it seems to me that that's exactly what you're doing. I'm going to take a look at where the pain points are, and I'm going to solve that challenge for you.
You got it.
Now you can get your inventory here, now you can decorate it, now you can get it in one day. And look at these gorgeous high-end patches as well. I mean, you're putting these beautiful logos on high-end patches. It looks like $1 million.
Yeah, thank you, yeah. And the beauty about these blankets is our minimums are super low. So something like this, only 5 pieces with the lasered patch.
Unreal.
And no setup on this item.
Wow,
yeah.
Wow, 5 unit minimums, no setups. I'm sold, man. I love this company. And then lastly, I'm seeing aprons. You guys do a lot of aprons as well.
We do a lot of aprons. So we have, again, sublimated aprons. Give you a perfect example here where you can basically dress the apron in whatever color you want, as many graphics as you want, and you can personalize. So Chef Helen.
Nice.
Chef Alex.
Hey, you know what's so cool is I know aprons a little bit, and I know that in promo, a lot of people think, well, I'm not going to sell an apron because I don't have that kind of clientele that's in the food and beverage industry. But interestingly enough, aprons are awesome for team building. If you're doing some kind of a sales meeting, throw everyone with different color aprons on. You're on the purple team, you're on the red team, you're on the yellow team, and then after the sales meeting's done, they get to take it home and they're using that in their kitchen, right?
Exactly.
So you can use aprons all over the place. They don't just have to be for food and beverage. And I think a lot of people miss out on that.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So, and even besides the sublimated aprons, we have stock colored aprons where we sell them blanks or with the heat transfer logo. So somebody who's looking for a traditional apron, traditional fabric, we have those as well.
Unreal, unreal. Arif, I'm so grateful, man, that you took the time to show me your line, show me what's new. It's exciting, man. How can people get a hold of you?
So contact us, sales, S-A-L-E-S at FIEL.com. Or can I give my telephone number as well?
Yeah, man, give the telephone number.
Our telephone number is 905-565-0447, and then you can press 1 for sales.
I love it. You heard it here first. Hey, Arif, thank you so much for your time. Great company, man. And hey, everybody, let's keep making beautiful noise.